Okay, so here we go. Shoot a turd. Let's not shoot those turds. Those turds are too small. Sit in there. Not those ones. Here's good bass turds. Move that leaf with your hand. Ew. Okay, here we go. Oh crap, it's not firing.
Did you walk it? Ah! Did you walk it?
Oh crap. Yeah. Let me go. Here we go, everybody. Don't worry. I shot a turd. Look at that. Look at that. Here, let me zoom in that. Zoom in. Here, hold this. Look at that turd. It is the one right there. Right there. Behind that turd that you see that looks full. Zoom close in. Oh, where is it? It's one of these turds. But it looks mushed. Okay, so shooting a turd. That's how it goes.